Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another sneaker mystery box episode. This beater box right here is from Sole Supremacy and it is $1,325. Very expensive box. And if this is your guys' first episode, a sneaker mystery box is a mystery box full of used or new sneakers. And the whole reason why we buy these things is because we're trying to resell them, clean them up, and then we'll be able to make more money on our investment. So we don't want to hit $13.25. We want to make more than $13.25. We will have a price counter on the screen so you guys can follow along. But with all of that being said, let's get into this mystery box. $1,325. Oof, right off the bat, we got a good one, guys. We're starting off with the only shoe without a box, it looks like. This one right here, a pair of the Nike SB Dunk Lows De La Souls, and this one is in a size 9. So this sneaker was originally dropped in 2014, so it should be about 8 years older, but the condition looks pretty solid considering that amount of time. There is a good amount of toe box creasing over here on the top, you can see that, but everything else looks solid, especially over here on the back heels and whatnot. No scuffs, nothing on there. Bottoms also look very, very good. And I know that these things still fetch a lot of money. A lot of people really like the De La Souls, including myself. So this is a great way to start off the box. You guys can follow along on the price counter over here. That price counter is actually the competitive market value for the sneakers. So that's what they're trending for. The thing with used sneakers, it's kind of hard to put a price on it because it is worn. So really the value is in the eyes of the beholder kind of things. Like new shoes, it's easy because the market is set, but used, it can kind of be all over the place. We find like the median value, and that's what's on the screen. However, if you guys do want to buy any of the shoes in this mystery box, you can head over to untiedhawaii.com. We actually sell shoes to channel members over there for a lot less than what you see on the screen. So if you guys want to save money on kicks and support the channel, don't forget to hit join down below. Appreciate all of the people that already are channel members. Love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me and my family. So thank you for that. The next shoe that we have right here is a Yeezy 700 box, and this one is in a size 9. For the shoe, we have a pair of the Yeezy 700 Mauves, I believe. Really just a plain 700, to be honest. This one is like a dark colored brown, kind of like an earth tone, right? That's how most Yeezys are these days. This one looks to be in worn condition, but very, very lightly worn, I would say. Like very, very lightly worn. I barely see any signs of wear on this. So that's why it's always good to look at used sneakers, because there's things like this that do pop up, and you can save a bunch of money because obviously it's not going to be going for as much as the new listing. So if you guys want to save money, used is the way to go. That's how I shop for my sneakers, and it saves a bunch of cash. Dude, this box might be crazy. There's a lot of sick sneaker boxes in here. This one is a Jordan 1 box, my favorite sneaker, and it is a size 13. Ooh, and we got a classic, a pair of the Jordan 1 Shadows. The condition on this looks great. I believe they retroed again in 2018 or somewhere around there. So this is the newer pair. You can see that the leather's still really good on this. There is some toe box creasing over there on the top, but the inside and back heel looks good. Bottoms also look immaculate. I mean, there's like no heel drag at all. Zero star loss as well. So this is another good pair. So this is another great pair right here. I'm loving what we have so far in the box. I feel like the profit's gonna be good, but it's still early, so we gotta hope that the rest of it finishes out strong. Grab this one next, a box we don't see very often, a Kyrie 5 box. Kyrie 5, ooh, size 10.5. It's a collaboration one. And for the shoe, okay, so this is the Concepts Kyrie 5, and this one looks to be in very lightly worn condition as well, dude. This is actually not a bad shoe. You can see over here it has the Kyrie branding over the top, Kyrie's signature over here as well. I think that's the Eye of Osiris on the back. He always does like those Egyptian themes on his shoes, so that's kind of cool. Color scheme on this is nice. Bottoms, I barely see any dirt on this, so that's great. I'm not sure how much this is going for, but because it is a collab with Concepts, you're hoping that it does have a little bit more value. Not too many people resell Kyrie just because, I mean, Kyrie's been weird lately the last year if you guys follow NBA basketball, so I feel like the hype for him is kind of like on the low right now, but hopefully he trends higher and then his shoes will go up in value. Or if you guys just like the comfort of it, I heard these are really good to ball in. That's another plus there. Okay, we got like, what do we got? 4 shoes left in here. This next one is a Jordan 1 box again. Size 11.5 and colorway. Oh, this one does not fetch a lot of money, unfortunately, because these are a pair of the Biohacks, and even though like it's a unique like colorway, not a lot of people like this one, so I think it's barely going over retail pricing, and that's for a new pair. I'm sure this is going for a lot less in retail now. It has been very, very lightly worn, so that's a good thing about all the shoes today, lightly worn. You can see a very minimal crease right there. Bottoms look great, just like that Jordan 1 Shadow we saw. And the shoe, I mean, the colorways aren't the greatest, obviously, but it kind of has like a what the look. That's why I'm surprised not more people got behind this. But yeah, maybe over time people will be like, you know, that's dope, and the value will skyrocket. But that's probably highly unlikely at this point. So 3 shoes left. I'm gonna grab this one next. It's got a 500 on the top, Yeezy 500, size 10. And for the colorway, the Yeezy 500 blush. And if you guys are avid viewers of the channel, you know, even though I'm not a huge Yeezy Kanye person, the 500s I always like talk about because I used to wear this shoe all the time for work. It is one of the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. Like, no hate at all for the 500s. This is like a dope colorway too. This is the blush. It's like a kind of like a faded white look, and this one looks to be in great condition. Really good condition, actually. My pair was like worn down into the ground. This one looks a lot better. Only like dirty soles. The uppers look perfectly fine, which is great. Don't sleep on these Yeezy 500s. If you're looking for something comfortable and with a little bit of style, these are the way to go. All right, 2 shoes left. I don't know which one I want to grab. There's a unique box and then there's an SB Dunk silver box. I'll save the Dunk for last because that one has potentially like super big value, but we'll grab this one instead. Something I have not seen before. Nike, and it says Dunk 85 high quality. Got a huge cut over the top over here. Do not know what this is. High in 1985, size 11. Okay, I'll take that broken lid off. And what in the heck is this? Dude, I feel like I know what this is called, but I can't remember. It's like some kind of like poison yellow or something. I don't know, but anyway, this is a DS pair of whatever the heck this thing is. It's not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. Yellow is one of my favorite colors on a sneaker, and this one definitely pops. Got those like highlighter yellow soles, kind of like a mustard yellow midsole right here, and then the upper looks pretty dope. Leather on this isn't great, but I mean, it is brand new, so that's good. You can see the laces are still attached over here, so that's why you know it's new. I have to just do more research about what like collab this was or what special occasion it was, because this is not typical for a Nike Dunk High, but it is a unique shoe and one we have not seen before, so that's always a win on the channel. Just know if you guys are buying it on UntitledHawaii.com, as I mentioned, the lid is broken, so the shoes are new, the lid is damaged, but you don't wear the lid and you don't wear the box. Some people really care about that stuff though, so just something to note. All right, last shoe of the box. I told you guys what it is. We just don't know what the sneaker is. So silver box, Nike SB Dunk Low. This one is a size 8.5. Silver box series, in contention for some of the best dunks there are. And this colorway is, I have no idea. What do we got on this? This is shale? Shale? What the heck is a shale SB Dunk, dude? This is interesting. I have no idea, dude. This is one that I'm not familiar with. You can kind of check that out right there. Corduroy? Is this like a corduroy upper? I can't really tell. Different texture for sure. Condition, it's not too bad. I believe the silver box series was like 2004, so quite a long time. Kind of plain in my opinion, but I don't know the story behind this one. It could be something really rare and very pricey on the counter. That is actually it for this mystery box though. We are tapped out over here. Thoughts about the box? I mean, like I said at the beginning, it has like a great amount of shoes that are easy to move. We got the Jordan 1s over there. We got a couple SB Dunk Lows, Yeezys and whatnot. So I think we can make value pretty quick on this box. Nothing really stood out to me in terms of like, dang, that's insane. But sometimes those are the best boxes because you want like middle of the pack shoes, people that can afford them. So like $200 to $400 is usually like what people will pay for sneakers. If you have only one sneaker that's like $1,000, not too many people will pay that price, so it's harder to move. Might take months, but you'll get more value out of it. So that's the trade-off with these mystery boxes. Overall though, looks like a good one. And again, if you guys want to cop any of the shoes, head over to UntitledHawaii.com. Again, thank you to channel members for supporting the channel. Love all of you guys and I appreciate all of you guys watching this video. If you guys did like this video and enjoy the mystery box series, don't forget to subscribe down below and also hit that like button. Appreciate all of you guys, and until next time guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, and I will see you on the next episode. Aloha. Shoot.